Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to guide you through this painting tutorial today. We'll be creating a beautiful leafy scene in 3 simple steps. So grab your brushes and paint and let's get started. Begin by selecting green paint and wet your brush with water. Mix the paint evenly. In this tutorial, I'm using Van Dyke green. Now, lightly draw leaf shapes. Some artists may find it a bit challenging to paint leaves with just 2 strokes, so beginners should practice this simple step a lot. This step adds a 3-dimensional effect. First, apply water to the leaf shapes. Then, paint from the brightest part to the darkest part, leaving the brightest area untouched. By varying the paint concentration, you can easily create the shading and highlight. Remember, you need to paint before the water dries. This step is all about adding variation. We'll be adding crimson lake and yellow light. Apply water and paint as in step 2, but for the bright areas, blend the yellow light with the green. Then, paint from the brightest part to the darkest part, leaving the brightest area untouched. By varying the paint concentration, you can easily create the shading and highlight. Add red before the paint dries. Lastly, use the tip of the brush to draw the leaf veins to complete the painting. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Happy painting!